I failed in my exam. What should I do?
What happened, Ismail?
I failed in my exam in mathematics.
How it will happen?
I don't know. I do very hard work.
But you are a good student, yeah?
Yeah,
But how?
sir will fail me.
Don't worry. Don't worry. Just do hard work, okay? It will happen. Right?
do
It's
hard
not your last time, okay? You have lot of opportunity. Just do hard work.
Good morning. Good morning, sir. Actually, the weather is speaking good morning to all of us, because normally what happens in this time, every day it rains. But today, even the weather is enjoying this beautiful activity. Right? बहुत बढ़िया एनर्जी आप लोगों का. Clap for this energy. Beautiful. Sad to say this, but your energy was not up to the mark. Okay, show your great energy, right? And some rules are there that has to be followed. Okay, and the rule is, कैमरा में बोल देता हूँ, you cannot fold your hands like this, right? Okay, and you cannot keep your hands like this. Look at this side. Okay, okay. These are called closed body language, right? And in communication, closed body languages are not allowed, right? So कुछ लोग ये कह रहे हैं, सर कुल मिलाकर तो मेरे पास 2 ही बॉडी लैंग्वेज था, वो भी आपने हमसे छीन लिया, राइट? ये दुनिया बड़ी जालिम है ना, बॉडी लैंग्वेज तक छीन लेती है, राइट? सो आर यू हैप्पी विद दिस? Yes, sir. You guys are happy? Yes, sir. You are not able to do this, okay, and you are not able to do this. If you do this, you will have to pay 10 rupees, right? And this girl is my accountant, and she will bring galla. लेकर ये डब्बा, right? And today आप पौधे को देख करके तो समझ ही गए होंगे कि सर वही वाला एक्टिविटी होगा. Yes. पिछली बार वो सीनियर ने एक्टिविटी किया था, जूनियर ने मुझे कहा सर हम सीनियर को हराएंगे, हम उससे बेटर करेंगे. तो पब्लिक विल डिसाइड हु इज़ बेटर, सीनियर्स और फिर जूनियर्स. जूनियर्स में से भी 6 o'clock वाले बैच ने इस चैलेंज को लिया है. अभी लेट्स सी, सीनियर्स आर बेटर और फिर juniors are better. Alright, so I do not want to take a lot of time. I have to start from girls first. No, this trend must be changed now. Understand? Now boys first. Let's start. Yeah, blockbuster start. Yes, dynamic start. Good to see that.
I seen one thing. 90% people give up at the first failure.
Right.
Even we are not stronger than an ant. We always seen one thing. When an ant wants to climb on the wall,
Right.
she got failure a lot of time, but she never give up. And one time, she
doesn't give up. Right. Good one.
thank you for your appreciation. But one time, she gets success just because of her attitude.
Right.
So I just want to say that keep attitude like a big personality and just like an ant. Don't think like that. Should I keep attitude like an ant? Never think like that, because an ant can kill a elephant. So
गड़बड़ होएगा वहाँ. But no problem, you tried very well. Never keep your attitude like an ant, right? What is that? Okay, but an ant, okay, has a great attitude, that is ज़िद्दी. Right. वो लाइन में जा रही है, चाचा, ताऊ, मासी, खालू, खाला, सब लाइन में जा रही है, राइट? और उसको रास्ते में आंधी आ जाए, तूफान आ जाए, थोड़ी देर फिर से बोलेंगे बेटा हम उसी लाइन में इन द सेंटर. वाओ, ग्रेट लेडी, राइट. एंड शी इज
So good morning, everyone.
गुड मॉर्निंग.
How are you all? Yeah, I'm also fine. As we all know that today motivational activity is going on. So today I'm going to motivate you with some of my statement. So now I'm telling you this lady. So how are you all?
I'm good.
Sorry, how are you?
I'm good. What's about you?
I'm also fine. I want to ask you one thing. That is,
Tell me.
can I ask you?
Yes, of course.
So tell me one thing. That do you have any aim? Do you have any dream?
Yes.
She has no dream, seriously.
And do you want?
You have dream, okay. all right.
And do you want to achieve your aim?
Yes, of course.
Oh wow, that's great. Dear friends, इनके पास ही नहीं, हम सभी के पास कुछ एम होता है, कुछ ड्रीम
Right,
होता है, हम सभी के
right.
पास कुछ चाहत होता है, कुछ करने का, कुछ बनने का. Yes, everyone has some aim, some dream, and everyone wants to achieve their success. So I want to tell you one thing, that try not to become a man of success, but rather try to become a man of value. The secret of success in life is for a man to be ready for his opportunity when it comes.
When it comes, okay? Get ready for all the opportunities, right? Okay? Yeah, that's great. Beautiful.
गाइस, जो हो गया उसे सोचा नहीं करते, जो मिल गया उसे खोया नहीं करते. हासिल उन्हें होती है सफलता, कि हासिल उन्हें होती है सफलता जो अपने वक्त और हालात पे रोया नहीं करते.
फिर हो रहा है.
Don't cry.
Don't cry. Don't cry.
It doesn't matter what doing others are. It matters what you are doing.
Right.
Yes, your future is created by what you do today.
Right. What you do today? Learn, boys. Good
Thank
one.
you.
Thank you. Thank you very much. Beautiful statement. Okay. What you are doing today is making your future, right? And keep coming in the center. Now, I want to call a boy. Okay, in the center. चीटी की रफ्तार से आइए. And I'm calling Mr. Bittu is coming himself. That's great. Okay.
I'm going to motivate you.
थोड़ा real.
Done. I'm going to motivate you. What's stopping you? Yes, my dear friends, what's stopping you? You didn't get up enough, didn't get enough sleep. Are you tired? Think, what's stopping you? You don't have enough time, you don't have enough money, you don't have enough courage. What's stopping you? Is that the thing? What's stopping you? What the thing is stopping you? Think, because if you face many problems, you have to fight with your smile. Yes, my dear friends, if you face many problems, you have to fight with your smiles. When life gives many problems in your life, when life gives you many problems with your life to cry, then you show the world many reasons of smiles. Thank you.
A huge round of applause for the next student coming in the center. And who is that personality? Tell me, who is that person? Who is that student? Who is that girl? Who is that boy? Please tell me. Come, please, fast. Come fast, okay? Yeah. Hold.
It's fine. So, very good morning to all of you. Good morning. I hope you all are perfectly fine. Yes. So, as we know that today motivational session is going on, so I'm going to motivate you. I want to ask you one thing, that is why we need someone. Why we need someone to help us. Why we don't believe in ourselves. Why we are not able to stand on our foot. Do you have any answer about this why? No. Even we don't have any answer about this why. Sometimes we don't want to do something, but we have to do. That is called life. If there is a one thing that I know about life is that one coin that is going to slip over and over again, irrespective of what you say, what you do, what are you try. The only thing that is in control is you. But cliche it may be, what piece of life. Persistence and hard work. Keep on at it. Keep at it. Keep on doing and don't give up. It is tough, but nothing in life ever easy. Let me tell you that. Choices you make, and you can lie to the world, but you cannot lie to yourself. So thank you.
So next student must come in the center. Okay, next student, wait, अपनी इज्जत करो बाबू, रिस्पेक्ट योर सेल्फ, राइट। तुम्हारे जैसे लोग बुन बुलाए बारात में जाते हैं, फिर वापिस आते हैं। अंडरस्टैंड? बड़ा दुख की बात है, पता है क्या होता है, लड़के लोग बाराती चले जाते दुख में, राइट, बिना बुलाए। ओके, और उसके बाद क्या होता है, उधर से पूछो कहाँ से है भैया, किधर से है, अब फंस गया बंदा। डोंट डू दैट। ओके, फिर घर में भी खाना नहीं मिलना है, आगे बिना बुलाए। रिस्पेक्ट योर सेल्फ, राइट। इफ यू डोंट रिस्पेक्ट योर सेल्फ, द वर्ल्ड डजंट रिस्पेक्ट यू। खुद की इज्जत नहीं करोगे, दुनिया तुम्हारी इज्जत कभी नहीं करेगा, राइट। यू मस्ट अंडरस्टैंड दिस थिंग। ओके, सी द फ्लावर्स, they respect themselves. It doesn't change the color. It is red, it will be red, right? Whatever the condition is, it doesn't care about the condition. Same flowers were there in July. जब तुम रो रहे थे, जल रहे थे, वीडियो बना रहे थे, है ना, कि गर्मी बहुत है, फ्राई हो जाएंगे हम। ये बोला तुम्हारे लिए मैं सरवाइव करूँगा, और आज देखो बारिश में भी सरवाइव कर रहा है। दे हैव बेटर एटीट्यूड देन वी ह्यूमन बीइंग। सी हाउ आर दिस गाइज स्टैंडिंग, दे इवन डोंट नो हाउ टू स्टैंड। इफ सम बिग सक्सेस is given to them, can they carry on their shoulder? They won't. They won't be able to carry the burden, okay, on the shoulder, because the shoulders are very weak. They are not able to stand well. And they say, I want to become successful. How will you handle this success? It's very tough. Failure can be handled, but when you have success, you sometimes are not able to handle that, and after that what happens? You lose your success then and there only, right? So understand. Be stronger all the time. Show greater attitude all the time. You don't know who is observing you. पता है आपको कौन तुमको देख रहा है, कौन तुमको ऑब्जर्व कर रहा है, पता भी नहीं है। और हर घड़ी आप अपने एटीट्यूड को मारते रहते हो। Sometimes you sleep without reason. आपको लगता है कोई नहीं देखता। Everybody is looking at that. That is visible on your face. Understand? Attitude एक दिन के लिए नहीं, 2 दिन के लिए नहीं, लाइफ टाइम के लिए होनी चाहिए, right?
Yes, sir.
People must take example from you. We want success? No. We want to become examples. ये एटीट्यूड रखो, सफल होना है, एग्जाम्पल बनो। सक्सेस विल रन बिहाइंड यू। शायद सफलता ले लीजिए, ऐसे भागेगा आपके पीछे सफलता, सीरियसली बता रहा हूँ। बट फॉर दैट योर एटीट्यूड मैटर्स मोर देन एवरीथिंग, राइट? आगे, learning is not done in the class only. Education is not given only in the class. Every day, every minute, every second, everywhere, okay, you can have education if you have attitude of getting education. You wanted to do motivation? Where is energy? Where is your energy? Tell me. Change your perspective to see the things. देखने का नजरिया बदलो, right? Everything is beautifying this world. हर चीज इस दुनिया को सुंदर बना रही है। Everything, जिसको तुम गाली दे रहे हो, that is making this world relevant. That is making this world beautiful, right? Your way of observing the things are not positive. That is why you see thorns, okay, where the flowers bloom. जहाँ फूल खिलते हैं तुम्हें वहाँ पे कांटे दिखते हैं. It is your problem, right? It is said very beautifully. You see the things as you are. You see the things as you are. You don't see the things as they are. Right? आप चीज़ों को वैसा ही देखते हो जैसा देखना चाहते हो. आप चीज़ों को जैसा देखना चाहते हो वैसा ही देखते हो, चीज़ वैसा है नहीं, जैसा है उसे नहीं देख पाते हो आप। एक लड़का आया बोला कि सर एक को फ्लावर हुआ आपका गार्डन में, बोले हाँ भाई एक हुआ है। और एक लड़का आया बोला वाह सो ब्यूटीफुल, फोटो क्लिक करके ग्रुप में भेज दिया, सर फ्लावर खिल गया। तरीका है भाई, आपने कल फोटो देखा होगा ग्रुप में। हाँ सर इतना दिन से पानी बचा रहे क्या कोई निकला, अरे पगलवा पत्थर पे निकला एक, ये देखो ना पत्थर पे निकला एक। ट्राई टू अंडरस्टैंड। पीपल का पौधा देखा है आपने? देखना नहीं, पीपल का पौधा पता क्या होगा, ये ऊपर ऊपर उगेगा, छत पे उग जाता है। हाँ हमें पूछे भाई तुमको क्या दिक्कत है, धरती में जाओ नहीं, धरती अच्छा अच्छा बड़ा जमीन, बोले आपको क्या दिक्कत है। सीरियसली मजाक नहीं चल रहा भाई, पत्थर पे पीपल के पेड़ उग रहे हैं, कैसे भाई? एटीट्यूड भाई, एटीट्यूड, राइट, एटीट्यूड। ऑलराइट, so do not compromise with your attitude. Let's do big motivation to this world, right? Now I'm calling next student, okay, obviously from girls. Yes, where is the mic? Provide the mic. Yeah, show the energy, show the energy. Blue light jal raha hai, check the light. Okay,
Good morning, all of you.
good morning.
I'm Yusra. Today I'm here to motivate you. I want to talk about the most incredible potential that lies each and every one of you. You are capable, you are strong, you are resilient. Problems may come in your way, but it's all depend on you how you react on that.
Right.
When problems come, be patientful person, be calm in that situation, and never give up on that.
Right.
Adapt, never give up attitude in your life,
Right.
because it's very important.
Very important. Clap for it. Yeah.
Never give up is the birth of regret. We should have to adapt, never give up attitude in life, and do hard work. When you set a clear and achievable goal in your life, make discipline, routine, and do hard work. Thank you.
Okay. How was that, Yusra? It's the first time? It's the first time in front of camera? All right. Having any trepidation, any fear? That's the part of life. जिंदगी में डर ना हो तो जीने का मजा नहीं है। एक आदमी को डर नहीं था, ट्रेन के सामने खड़ा हो गया, भैया लिए ठोक के देखा, डर नहीं था। जीने के लिए डर जरूरी है भाई। Sometimes you should have fear. Sometimes you should have fear. डरना जरूरी है। ए लड़का कैमरा मैन को डर नहीं लगा, सांप पकड़ लिया, बोले बाबू तुमको चुम्मी ले, लेके दिखाओ। फिर वो, you understand? Fear is fine. Fear is fine. But you should know how to handle it as per the condition, as per the situation. ये लड़की को देखो, डरे नहीं तनियोसा। हाँ पहले गड्ढा में कूदी, कुछ नहीं हुआ। हाँ डर का है बात, डर का। उसके बाद रोका गया इसको, चली गई मुंबई। ओके मुंबई कहाँ होता भैया, मुंबई चली गई, राइट। जुहू चौपाटी पे बोले आप कूदेंगे समुंदर में, पी जाएंगे सारा पानी। इतना मोटिवेशन नहीं चाहिए भाई। मोटिवेशन इज इम्पोर्टेंट, बट आई डोंट वांट दैट मच मोटिवेशन, ओके, कि कहीं भी कुछ भी कर लो। नो नो नो, फियर इज फाइन। लड़का लोग का कोई डर नहीं। पापा बाइक खरीद के दिए, बोले बेटा 40 की स्पीड में चलाना। बोले अच्छा आप बुजुर्ग हो गए, आप 40 में चलाओ, हम 140 में चलाएंगे। या पूछा बाबू का हाल है, बोले डर नहीं है। आई डोंट फियर, आई एम बॉय, दिस इज मी, इट्स मी, राइट। उसके बाद रोड पे पाया गया, इट्स यू, इट्स यू। उठ जाओ, अब दिखाओ स्पीड। 40 किलोमीटर पर घंटे की स्पीड से बाइक चलाना, राइट। ये मैसेज है भैया, मोटिवेशन इज फाइन, राइट, बट जंगल की आग की तरह मत फैलना भाई। All right. So next student in the center, okay? And I just want to call the student of 6 o'clock batch. Okay, the fiery speaker, you know, great speaker are coming in the center. Who is that person? You know, he is Ghalib. अब गालिब हो जाएगा हर चीज, right? You understand? Okay. Great. देखो जल्ले लोग ताली ऐसे बजा रहे हैं, अच्छे से. Clap fine, okay? Stand nicely, stand nicely.
Hi everyone, top of the morning to you. I am MD Ghalib and I am here to talk about, I am sharing some points that will be beneficial for your success. When you are on the way of success, जब आप सफलता के रास्ते पे होंगे तब ये आपके लिए फ़ायदेमंद साबित हो सकती है. I think in my opinion. So I am sharing some points. My first point is कि we always think about people, कि what people think about us, कि लोग क्या सोचेंगे. अगर लोग क्या सोचेंगे अभी हम ही सोचने लग गए तो फिर लोग क्या सोचेंगे.
ये अच्छा है भाई, है? अब हमसे नहीं सोचेंगे लोग क्या सोचते हैं, अब से हम ये नहीं सोचेंगे, ठीक है? अब से सिर्फ हम ये सोचेंगे हम क्या सोचते हैं, फिर सोचेंगे क्यों, करेंगे वो. Good, yeah, great point, very beautiful
The
point.
world is waiting to see you unsuccessful. दुनिया यही इंतजार में बैठी है कि कब आप unsuccessful हुए.
Right.
The world is always waiting to. They are always try to demotivate you. They always push in a hole. They always wants to demotivate you. आप सोचेंगे कि आप वो कोई ना कोई आप गलती करे. If you no matter what you are done the correct thing, what you are done the good job. But if you find a single mistake ना, जब आप एक गलती करेंगे, they always make fun behind of their back, you know. तो इस पे एक शायरी है कि खामोश रहा हमारी नेकियों पर ज़माना गालिब. खामोश रहा हमारी नेकियों पर ज़माना गालिब. जब बात ऐबों की आई तो गूंगे भी बोल पड़े.
जब बात ऐबों की आई तो गूंगे भी बोल पड़े. अच्छी बात, सही बात है. जिसको नाक कान मुंह नहीं रहता ना वो भी बोलता है सर ऐसा नहीं पढ़ाइए, ऐसा पढ़ाइए. बोला अच्छा आप ही एक दिन आके पढ़ाइए.
Yes.
Yeah, it's very nice statement.
And my second point is कि always be happy, no matter what situations are. चाहे जो भी situations हो, life में हमेशा happy रहना चाहिए. Enjoy your life, not regret your day, and always enjoy your life. You know, regret cannot change your past, and
Right.
worries cannot improve your future.
Oh wow, that's nice. Beautiful. Yeah.
Enjoying the true moment of your life is the happiness. So enjoy the moment that you are living, and enjoy the moment that you are
Relax.
living.
Enjoy the moment. Huh?
Yes,
Relax.
enjoy the
Yeah.
moment that you are living, that you want to believe, and no matter what people say, what you are going, what they will say, no matter. So enjoy the moment and always be happy. You know, some you know.
Relax. Take deep breath. अब बोलिए.
You know, everyone has a problem in their life. चाहे
Yes.
वो हम हो, सर हो या
हमें
सभी
कोई
हो.
प्रॉब्लम नहीं है सर. Don't count me in this list.
You also-
I don't have problem. Okay. Public
चाहे
में क्यों
वो
बोल
एलोन मस्क की बात करे या बिल गेट्स की बात करे, everyone has a problem. You know, problem is a part of our life, but facing them with a smile is art of our life.
Right. So art of your life is you have to go there. Next time में भी आना है.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you sir. सब अब ये बोल लोगे. Right. Okay. एक स्टेटमेंट बड़ा अच्छा स्टेटमेंट है. That is कि yesterday I was speaking in the class. That is कि I can sleep with rejection. I can sleep with rejection, but I cannot sleep with regret. I cannot sleep with regret. Right. But अच्छा है कि I like that statement कि people are waiting for you to become unsuccessful. Okay. They have their success in your failure. कितने बदनसीब हैं ये लोग जिसकी जीत आपके हार में है ना. कितने बदनसीब हैं ये लोग बताओ जिसकी जीत आपके हार में. You are lucky. You're very lucky that somebody is winning when you fail and somebody is losing when you succeed. Both are in your favor. If you win, they die. If you lose, you win, you leave. Right? So understand, okay? I'm calling next student into the center and she is or he is Mr. Nubaid. खुद ही decide कर लीजिए. He or she आप decide कर लीजिए. Come here please. Come this side. Record these two young personality, young chap, okay? They will stand together. इतना यारी नहीं है, बस ये डर है. Come this side. Satpurana, come this. Follow me, one person. Come this side. Stand here. अपने झुंड से बाहर आ गया. Good. Now, next, Mr. Novaid. Clap for him. Yeah. Don't worry, I'm there with you, okay? I'm there with you. Yes, sir. Please start करते हैं.
So, good morning to all of you.
Good morning.
How are you? Yeah, I'm also fine. So, today I'm going to motivate you. Sometimes we think, why only me? Why God give me this problem? Why give me God a big problem? Sometimes some people have big problem. Some has small problem. If you have big problem, don't run the problem. You have to face the problem with your smile. If you have a big problem, if you should be happy, because if you have big problem, a director said, if you
होता है भाई, ये कैमरा का डर है, सबको होता है. पहली बार आयो कैमरा के सामने होगा, बट कोशिश करना है, राइट? एक बार अच्छा जाएगा, कैमरा वीडियो में जाएगा, टेंशन ना ले.
कोई बात नहीं, गाँव से.
Yeah.
If you have a big problem, you should be happy,
Right.
because our director give the toughest role to the best actor.
Actor. Yes. Good point. A director give the toughest role to the best actor. खुद को कहना है, right?
Yes, sir.
Director and actor. Yeah, director is giving the best role to the best actor, to the toughest role to the best actor. Best भी toughest भी best actor को ही दिया जाता है role. So understand, when problems are not there, just sit on your knee and say, क्या हो गया? Can I not handle it? Send some problems, right? परेशानियाँ जिंदगी की निशानी है.
Shine
Right? Problems are the sign of.
of life.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Something more? Something more? Next time? Okay.
A very good morning to one and all present here. I hope you would be fine and enjoying your beautiful life. I'm Sanya from SMB. I face some problem, but I would love to motivate you. So let's start. I have one question. What is mean of motivation? Motivation means make someone want to do something well. Motivation remove your negative thoughts, remove your hesitation, removes your fear and gives your power, confidence and all. I speak something about life. So let's start. Life is not made to be so serious. Make time for fun, for enjoy. We can easily forget that our lives. My dear friends, I have one code. Be silent in 3 situations. Number 1, be silent when you are angry. Be silent when you want to listen to people. Be silent when people don't value your words. And my dear friends, life is song, sing it. Life is game, play it. Life is dream, realize it. Life is, and the last thing is, life is love, enjoy it. And my dear friends, never stop learning because life never stop teaching. So thanks a lot.
I failed in exam. What should I do?
What happened, Ismail?
I failed in exam in mathematics.
Oh, but don't cry. It's happened sometime.
Why are you crying, bro?
Because I failed.
For this you are crying?
Yeah.
You are a good motivational speaker, you know. You
Yeah.
can rock the stage.
Yes.
Why are you regretting about this?
Don't worry about it.
Yeah. Just be happy
Yeah.
in your life. You are a champ, bro.
Right.
You are champ of my
You have
batch.
guts, right? You have guts.
Why
Don't
are you
cry.
crying?
Really?
Yeah, you have guts. I know about you.
You are champion,
Yeah.
bro. Just don't think about that.
Yes.
Yeah.
Don't worry.
Just
okay?
go, man.
Okay.
Don't cry.
Thank you. Yes, don't cry. Your name is Smile and you cry. It's not good. And you are also a champion, na? Yeah,
Just
listen,
have
don't
some
cry.
smile in your
Don't
face.
cry. Okay.
But I got just 5
I
marks.
said, no, just don't worry about this.
Yeah.
You're a
Yes.
champion of my batch.
Don't
Just
worry.
go with me.
Okay, and thank you. You also 6 o'clock.
Can you record him? Can you record him? Say this.
Yeah.
10 rupees. 10 rupees. No, he doesn't know. He's late actually. Yeah. You late. रिएक्शन ऐसे मत करो. आप लेट हो, आपकी गलती है. आपके बेस पे थोड़ा हम
You have to pay.
हाथ नीचे करो. Right. Right? Okay. ना बढ़िया रिकॉर्डिंग हो रहा था. What is that यार? Okay. Excuse me. Record. See. How is that? You forgot the rule. Actually, what is actually? Bring the box. Bring the box. Bring the box. Yeah, please. Bring the box. 10 rupees, please. Pay 10 rupees. This is not allowed, okay? This posture is not allowed and this is not allowed, okay? Wait. Abhi. Oh, that's great. Capture him, okay? Record him, okay? Very close look. Take the zoom kar lo puri tarike se and see this person, okay? When I said you again and again, you cannot do like this and you cannot do like that. Then why are you doing this? You forgot the rule.
It's part of life, sir.
It's part of life. You're happy with this. बताओ यार 10 रुपए पे करके खुश है. Bring the box.
Yeah.
Bring the box. 20 rupees. Smart move. Smart move. 10 rupees. 10 rupees. 10 rupees. Okay. Thank you. Anybody else who wants to pay?
Lucy also has to pay. Yes, sir.
Let's see. All right. So now, few more students are left. Okay, they will come in the center. Okay, they can repeat as well. Okay. So anybody who wants to come, please be quick. Time is limited. Okay, understand. The motivational session is going on, and I know you can speak very well. You have the great guts. Okay, and you can do. I know it. Do you know who is coming?
So,
Yeah, you can come. Yeah, अच्छे से.
Always be
हाँ.
ready to face any problems.
Right.
Yes, my dear friends, I'm telling you, always be ready to face any problems because problem never says, may I come in, sir?
May I come in, sir? Problem नहीं. May I come in, sir? मैं आते हैं कुछ के घर में प्रॉब्लम क्या है वो वेलकम करते हैं. Somebody welcomes the problem. Right. एक बड़ा अच्छा स्टेटमेंट था कि one day problems came and knocked the door of my gate. One day problem came and knocked the door of my gate. Okay. Having seen the laughter, they ran away. You know, having seen the laughter inside, they ran away. Yeah, ये होती प्रॉब्लम. आप हंसी मजाक हंसते रहो, मुस्कुराते रहो, प्रॉब्लम आएगी गेट से वापिस चली जाएगी, वो किसी और के घर जाएगी. राइट. इसलिए अपना दरवाजा लॉक नहीं करना है, हंसना है अंदर. थैंक यू. या मे आई कम इन सर? या
One more thing is there, I seen this thing, when problems comes in our life, we don't enjoy.
या
I think no one enjoy problems. Actually, we should enjoy
ओके. कैसे करें भैया?
with a smile. It may not solve your problems, but
Right.
it will give you that confidence what you need to face that problem.
वाओ. मतलब प्रॉब्लम को कंफ्यूज करना है. गुड वन. वेरी ब्यूटीफुल.
And one more thing I want to tell you, our attitude is very weak. When problem comes, and we always says, why it came only me?
राइट.
But we don't know, we don't think like that, if it came to me, I did something wrong.
मे बी.
Yeah.
या
And you know you have a lot of problems. You know what you are going to do. It will give you a lot of pain.
Right.
You will get failure, but still you are doing your work to get your dream. That is called real attitude.
That's good. Okay. Thank you. Very well done. Okay. Excellent statement. Only 2 students are allowed now. 2 students और आएगा, right? Okay. Only 2 students will come, and after that we will stop the session, right? Okay. So beautiful statement he said right now. So I don't want to explain. Okay. 3 people want to come. आप दोनों साथ आओ. Yes. आओ. Okay. ठीक है. One sentence. एक लाइन आप, एक लाइन आप. Strong होना चाहिए, right? देखते हैं attitude who wins. Okay. Let's see. Yeah. साथ. Work together.
Problem. Everyone has problems. Someone has that problem. Someone has this problem. You cannot run from the problem. You have to fight with difficulties of the world. You have to face the problem.
To stop
Yes.
problem.
Yes, once again I'm going to motivate you, and now I'm going to tell you self-belief. Yes, my dear friends, believe in yourself, because if you do something, if you want to do something, if you want to become something, if you want to achieve your aim, if you want to achieve your dream, then do hard work.
Do hard work, yeah.
Yes.
Yeah.
She's right. You have to do hard work. If you want to achieve something big in your life, you have to do hard work. Otherwise, you don't have any options.
You don't have any option, yeah.
Yes, अगर आपको अपने जीवन में कुछ करना है, कुछ बनना है, तो सबसे ज़्यादा ज़रूरी तो यह है कि सबसे पहले आप खुद पर विश्वास रखें. Yes, believe in yourself.
Believe in yourself.
Because-
That's nice. Stop it, yeah. She's
Yes.
going to now.
सपनों को पूरा करने से पहले सपनों को ध्यान से देखना पड़ता है. हम पर उंगली वही लोग उठाते हैं जिन्हें हमें छूने की औकात नहीं होती.
Oh wow! Wow, very beautiful stand, okay?
Yes.
आज से उंगली उठाना बंद करो हम लोगों पे, पता है?
Yes.
आपकी छूने की औकात नहीं है मुझे. ज़्यादा हो रहा है क्या जी? Sorry for that, okay? Yeah.
Yes, believe in yourself and your own strength. Things can be difficult, life can be hard at times. You will meet many obstacles along your journey, but know that you can and you will get through it, and everyone, you have the strength to do it so.
Oh, tiny dynamite. Yes.
Yes, you have to strength. You have different quality. If you
Yes.
want, so you can do.
You can do. Yes.
Yeah.
You can do, right? Yeah. Miss Tulsi, please.
Yes, एक सफल व्यक्ति और एक असफल व्यक्ति के बीच सिर्फ एक इच्छा शक्ति का ही अंतर होता है. So my dear friends, make up your mind that I am, I can, I will, and I too.
Yes, that's great. Let's see who is the winner. Let's see for the last statement.
When you want to achieve something and you get something, and that time you want to get many more. So that is इसी पे एक शायर है कि मंजिल से आगे बढ़कर मंजिल तलाश कर, कि मंजिल से आगे बढ़कर मंजिल तलाश कर, मिल जाएगा तुझे दरिया तो समुंदर तलाश कर.
मिल जाए समुंदर या समुंदर तलाश. Right, that's great statement. Beautiful, beautiful. Last rocking step, okay? Rocking style, okay? You guys have done great job, excellent job, right? Next, okay? And the last, Mr. Ghalib, okay? Once again, okay?
So once again, I am here to share my points. What I am talking about previously, what I am doing right now.
Okay.
So I am talking about problems. You know, problems. Everyone has a problem. Tulsi, Lucy have, Mehdi have, Rahul have. Everyone has a problem in their life. And you know, problem is a part of our life. But facing them with a smile is the art of our life. So face the problem, learn from it, enjoy the life. You know, we always work from better tomorrow. कि tomorrow what happens tomorrow, what going the tomorrow, क्या होगा कल क्या होगा,
right?
But we never think about today, you know. And when tomorrow comes, instead of enjoying, we again think about tomorrow.
Right.
So let's have a better today, enjoy the moment. And सभी के लाइफ में परेशानियां आती है, तो उस पर एक याद रखिएगा. मिर्ज़ा गालिब का शेर है कि ये दौर भी गुजर जाएगा गालिब ज़रा इत्मीनान तो रख. ये दौर भी गुजर जाएगा गालिब ज़रा इत्मीनान तो रख. जब खुशी न ठहरी तो गम की क्या औकात.
जब खुशी न ठहरी तो गम की क्या औकात. Nice. ये दौर भी गुजर जाएगा गाली।
You know, when you are on the way of success, जब आप सफलता के रास्ते पे चलते रहोगे तो many people come to you कि ना बेटा तुमसे ना हो पाएगा,
तुमसे ना हो पाएगा, एकदम ना हो पाएगा तुमसे।
but you have to convince that कि no, you can achieve, तुम ये कर सकते हो। And many people कि no, you will not, you cannot do it, they always try to demotivate you. Then that time you remember a point कि कुछ लोग तुम्हें समझाएंगे, वो तुमको खौफ दिलाएंगे, जो है वो भी खो सकता है, इस राह में राहजन है, कुछ और यहाँ हो सकता है, कुछ और तो अक्सर होता है, कुछ और तो अक्सर होता है, पर तुम जिस लम्हे में ज़िंदा हो, ये लम्हा तुमसे ज़िंदा है। ये वक्त नहीं फिर आएगा, ये वक्त नहीं फिर आएगा, तुम अपनी करनी कर गुजरो, जो होगा देखा जाएगा, जो होगा
देखा जाएगा। It's nice.
And
Good.
And lastly, I want to conclude my points कि stress less, enjoy the best, and live the life before life leaves you. Thank you.
Thank you. Live the life before life leaves you. ठीक है। Don't die before the death. मौत से पहले मरने की जरूरत नहीं है, right? जिंदा हो, right? Let's share this video to each one of our localities, our area, I mean everywhere, right? And sir, you must write some comments, some motivational comments, okay, in the comment box. Thank you for watching the complete video. Bye bye.